The MIG Welder Combo MIG88-160M is a versatile tool offering 5 distinct processes, including flux MIG, gas MIG, HF TIG, plasma cutting, and stick welding, making it ideal for a variety of applications. With its dual voltage capability of 110 volts and 220 volts, this welder is perfect for both home projects and more demanding tasks on construction sites. The built-in Synergic control system simplifies operation by automatically adjusting settings, which helps even beginners achieve professional quality results effortlessly. The high-frequency TIG mode provides precise non-contact arc ignition, ensuring clean and accurate welds on materials like low-carbon and stainless steel. The plasma cutting feature is powerful, with a 40-amp output that can achieve clean cuts through materials up to 12 millimeters thick at 220 volts. The AWT MIG Welder Combo includes a comprehensive package with necessary accessories, ensuring users have everything needed to start welding right out of the box.